Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix someone else logged into your PS5 account and how you can sign them out. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, and then after you open up, you need to go to PlayStation.com and log into your account. Then press on your PlayStation icon, then go to account settings. And here, what you need to do here next is to go to device management, and then PlayStation consoles here. If you're using this account, it should be connected PlayStation consoles as primary. So what you need to do here it should be button deactivate them all. Press on it and just deactivate the consoles. Right? Then you need to go to security, and then on security, you need to, of course, change your password, maybe set up 2FA, and change your security questions. What I suggest you to do here is to set up sign in with the passkey, and then basically with the passkey with your phone, you just need to scan your face to log in. So it's super useful. I'm using this on my normal account. And then what you need to do here is to sign out on all devices. So if the second person is on your PS5 account or on your, as you can see here, on the back end of your account, it will be, the person will be signed out, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.